Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on Lyft. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile on your Lyft account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft, then click on You on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, on the top hand side, click on Add Photo. At this point, you can either take an existing photo or choose an existing photo from your library. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile photo on Lyft. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.